Death toll continues to rise in Kerala landslide as well. Over 140 deaths have now been confirmed in the landslide in Wayanad. Hundreds are feared trapped. Search and rescue operations continue on war footing, but remember, time is running out in this case. And as we speak, as I bring to you these updates, death toll is rising even now. Look how the roads have been completely washed away. There are river water that have reached alarming levels. But what were once villages or where families lived in God's own country are completely bearing now a desolate scenario. Rescue operation personnel, which means the army, the Air Force, the NDRF, the state rescue forces. There are local civilians who have come in to help as well. Shibimol KG is joining me now from Wayanad. Shibi, what is the scenario right now? Is it still raining in Wayanad? Has the downpour stopped? What are the difficulties that rescue officers on the site are facing?
Pooja, last night when the rescue operations were about to end, it was raining very, very heavily. So it is being said that rained very badly last night. Right now it seems fine. It's not raining, but the sky is still dark. So they are expecting it to rain because the IMD's prediction is that rainfall is going to continue for the next 2 days. And it's all red alert from central to northern Kerala. It's kept on the red alert. So the rainfall is expected. The major difficulty is, of course, the rain, the adverse climatic conditions that's really put the rescue operations, gave a very tough time to the rescue operators. The death toll right now stands at 146, around 143. The post-mortem of 143 bodies have been completed. The official data says it's 98 that's still missing, but the numbers are really high, like, even bigger than that. So the death toll is not going to stop here. It's going to rise further is what we're understanding. And also the rescue operation, it's going to start by 7, today's rescue operation, because they need visibility in the river because most of the rescue workers are searching in the river. They found a lot of bodies actually from the river. So they need that light to be there to, carry forward the rescue operation that is starting at 7. So
keep updating. Yes, Shibimol. I'll come to you in just a short while. We have more news coming in. Remember, there's been a wild coordinated effort between centre and state, but political showdown had also erupted in this case. So let's take a look at the next big breaking news coming in. Right, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra were set to visit Wayanad, also because Rahul Gandhi has been a former member of parliament of the same constituency, but the visit has been postponed for now, or we can say cancel as well, because there's no reference of when they will go. Rahul has said it on social media, and the statement reads, I quote it here: Priyanka and I were scheduled to visit Wayanad to meet with the families affected by the landslide and take stock of situation. But due to incessant rainfall and adverse weather conditions, we have been informed by authorities that we will not even be able to land. I want to assure the people of Wayanad that we will visit as soon as possible. In the meantime, we'll continue to monitor the status closely, provide all necessary assistance. Our thoughts are with the people of Wayanad at this difficult time. Remember that Rahul Gandhi won from Wayanad, though, as a member of parliament, and then one also from Raebareli, eventually choosing that. But for now, he said that we will not be able to come. Shibimol KG continues to be with us. Shibimol, so that is the reason that's being given. But this has been a political showdown as well. Remember, CPI MP saying something. Congress party is asking from the centre. Centre is accusing. So there's been wild joint efforts, but also political showdown.
There has been, but, the focus definitely has been on the rescue operations is what we're understanding. At least in Kerala, we have not seen the political parties, doing the blame game for now, because yesterday's condition was that terrible and that bad where, all of them we saw coming together. Even on the ground, if you see, it's all the political parties, whether it's, the main parties in the state, CPM, Congress, the BJP, the IUML, are all on ground working, giving out all their resources to these rescue operators. The ambulances, most of the ambulances running are of these political parties. So here we are seeing that coordinated effort. But yes, there have been accusations regarding certain, guidelines that should have been taken in terms of these areas, because these all fall under the high-risk categories. It's all ecologically sensitive zones because it's closer to the hill as well as, the river. So whether these places should have been inhabited or whether construction should have been allowed there, are all questions that will be raised to government. Certain reports in the past will all come into picture once this is sorted, once we recover all the bodies, and once we, save as many people as possible.
Shibim Mole keep tracking the latest on this and looking forward to Shibim Mole's constant updates and coverage. Remember, here's hoping against hope that more and more survivors will be rescued in time, because frankly it's 24 hours since the landslides have happened.